If your Volkswagen glow plug light is flashing, your first instinct may be to replace the glow plugs. But don't rush. On many VW diesel models, that flashing coil-shaped warning light can mean much more than a cold start problem. It can point to engine management faults, sensor problems, turbo issues, brake light switch faults, or even limp mode. So before you buy glow plugs, let's understand what the warning light is actually trying to tell you. First, there's a big difference between the glow plug light turning on, flashing, or not coming on at all. When you switch the ignition on in a cold diesel Volkswagen, the glow plug light may stay on briefly. That usually means the glow plugs are preheating the combustion chambers. In plain English, they are helping warm the diesel engine so it can start smoothly, especially in cold weather. If the light goes out after a few seconds and the car starts normally, that is usually normal behavior. A flashing glow plug light is different. On many Volkswagen diesels, flashing does not simply mean the glow plugs are warming up. It often means the engine computer has detected a fault. The engine computer, also called the ECU, is the control unit that monitors sensors, fuel injection, turbo boost, emission systems, and electrical circuits. When the ECU sees a problem, it may use the glow plug light as a general diesel engine warning light. Now, what if the glow plug light does not come on at all when you turn the key? That can also matter. In warm weather, some VW diesels may only show the light very briefly. But if it never appears during the ignition check, especially when the engine is cold, there could be a dashboard bulb issue, a fuse problem, a relay fault, a control module issue, or a communication problem between the dashboard and the engine computer. So, no light does not always mean no problem. One surprisingly common cause of a flashing glow plug light is the brake light switch. This small switch tells the car when you press the brake pedal. If it fails, the engine computer may think there is a safety issue. In some Volkswagen models, that can trigger the flashing glow plug light. A simple clue is this: check if your brake lights work correctly. If the brake lights stay off, stay on, or behave strangely, the glow plug light may have nothing to do with the glow plugs themselves. If the glow plug light flashes and the car suddenly loses power, the vehicle may be in limp mode. Limp mode means the engine computer reduces power to protect the engine and drivetrain. On VW diesels, this can happen because of turbo boost problems. Boost is the extra air pressure made by the turbocharger. If the turbo makes too much boost, too little boost, or the ECU cannot control it properly, the car may feel slow, heavy, or unable to accelerate normally. The flashing glow plug light can also be linked to emissions-related systems. The EGR valve, which recirculates some exhaust gas back into the engine to reduce emissions, may stick or clog. The DPF, or diesel particulate filter, is the filter that traps soot from diesel exhaust. If it becomes restricted, or if an exhaust pressure sensor gives bad readings, the engine computer may trigger a warning. Again, the glow plug light is acting like a diesel engine management warning, not just a glow plug warning. Of course, sometimes the glow plugs really are the problem. A glow plug can burn out, the wiring harness can corrode, a fuse can fail, or the glow plug relay or control module can stop sending power. The harness is the wiring that connects the glow plugs to the electrical system. The relay or control module is the part that controls when power reaches the glow plugs. These faults are more likely if the car starts poorly when cold, cranks longer than usual, runs rough after startup, or smokes more when the engine is cold. The smarter step is diagnosis before replacement. Start with the basics. Note when the light flashes, whether the engine starts normally, whether there is power loss, and whether other warning lights are on. Then scan the car for fault codes. A fault code, also called a diagnostic trouble code, is the computer's stored clue about what went wrong. A basic OBD scanner may help, but for Volkswagen-specific problems, tools like VCDS or OBD11 can usually give more detailed information. The key is to match symptoms with codes. If the code points to a glow plug cylinder circuit and the car starts badly in cold weather, then testing the glow plugs makes sense. If the code points to brake switch signal, boost pressure control, EGR flow, DPF pressure, or sensor communication, replacing glow plugs will not fix the real issue. That is how people waste money. They replace the part named by the dashboard light instead of diagnosing the system behind it. So, can you keep driving with a flashing glow plug light? It depends. If the car drives normally, has no severe power loss, no strange noises, no overheating, no heavy smoke, and the brake lights work, you may be able to drive carefully to a repair shop. But if the car is in limp mode, has major power loss, rough running, heavy smoke, fuel smell, overheating, or the brake lights are not working, driving can be unsafe. In those cases, stop as soon as it is safe and consider towing the vehicle. Here's the takeaway. A flashing VW glow plug light does not automatically mean bad glow plugs. It means the engine computer has detected a problem that needs diagnosis. Sometimes it is a glow plug, relay, fuse, harness, or control module. But it can also be a brake light switch, turbo issue, EGR problem, DPF restriction, sensor fault, or limp mode condition. So don't replace parts blindly. Read the codes, check the symptoms, and fix the actual cause.